Alright guys, welcome to another edition of Starwind Aquariums. So, just changed the water, it's kind of foggy. As you can see, that hypnea is in the back, and it's getting pretty good. It's actually coloring up to my light, which is good. It's not brown, because once it starts turning the real color that it is, then you can tell some die off. But in here, some things have like the little mushrooms and all that. They kind of expanded because they're very small at first, but now that they're kind of opening up, I do have to clean this glass a little bit because some film was going on there, and I just don't have my filter on all the time because I don't want the water to be extra filtered and clean. I did dose some copepods, and somebody was selling like 7 different pods, but I don't know, I didn't really see a lot floating in there, so hopefully the population is in there. And let me just clean this glass real quick because it is getting annoying to me. Alright, ain't nothing like a couple squirts of Windex and a flipper. So in there you can see more. The caulerpa in here is actually growing faster. It took over the sea sponge, and the seagrass or the turtle grass is not growing too much. And then I just put like a long feather caulerpa in there, but it'll just lay there for a while until it takes off. This is still another piece of turtle grass that was infused with Mexicana. As you can see, the 2 little pieces back there, and then the Helameda, which I guess my lights might not be strong enough for it. You have little pieces of this. There's some coralline algae back there, but I do need to move it around so it can get more light. And I tried to throw some other stuff back there, but it didn't really go well. Then you see a little what's it called, mushroom back there. And so it's starting to slowly take off. I hopefully didn't see any aptasia or anything crazy in there. I think I do have 1 snail or something in there, but I did manage to put the 2 clownfish in there to just get it going. And then the mangroves, and that thing is just dirty because of the mud deposits that just got sucked up in there. So that's why I don't really want to clean it yet, because the mud, I do have a filter in there. And then the mangroves from previous, you see the brown tips equal hot light equal excuse me, equals the light is too strong and it burnt the tips long ago. I was wondering if I should break it off or whatever, but just left it there for now. And then we have a little snail right there. So mostly I have snails in here, which is okay, and the tank is actually going well. So I think it's about 3-4 weeks, and it's really I just changed the water out. I did have what is this, some what is it called, the red grape. I had it in a different tank, and then I guess it fell apart. So this species really can't take a lot of high nitrite and all that. So hopefully it just gets accustomed to the tank. As I can see, new strands are starting to come out. So hopefully with some progress in a couple more weeks, that we'll see a lot of growth on there. But I do have to move that around. I did try to put some other green macros in there, which weren't always doing well in one tank, but we'll see if it comes back to life. So that's all I'm going to put. I do prune this green algae because I think it does suck up most of the nutrients for the other stuff, and I'm really wondering about the hypnea, which I rather prefer than the green stuff because I have lots and lots of this. So thanks guys for watching, and this has been a cool video. Hopefully I can update again in a couple more weeks, and we'll see some growth. See you guys later.